Hey, I'm Mike, and welcome to my channel. And today we're going to talk about how I build a 100K portfolio. Now here's the thing. Everyone wants a 100K portfolio, but almost no one is willing to become the person it takes to build one. I'm not here to tell you which ETFs right now to select. I'm not a financial advisor, because it's not about strategy. It's actually about behavior. If I had to do again, I wouldn't chase returns. I'd actually build a structure. Because look, wealth doesn't come from intensity, it comes from consistency. So here's the framework. First is growth. Because if your money isn't expanding, you're falling behind. Second is income. Because cash flow creates freedom. Not someday while you're building. Third, stability. Because if your system breaks under pressure, it's not a system. And that's a hard pill to swallow. And then I do the thing people avoid. I'd repeat it over and over again. Every week, every month, no matter what the market does. Look, in the future, maybe I'll make a video, if you guys are interested, in how to actually build a scalable portfolio to 100K. But I think the point that I'm trying to make is that 100K isn't a number. It's proof. It's proof that you became disciplined enough to build something real. And that's what people are actually chasing. If you guys like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you guys for listening, and I would love to read your comments below. And until the next one, I'll see you guys later.